Hola Humans. I go by the name of Jerry for those who don't know, and for those who do know, what's the vibes? Let's get right into it. Realize I haven't forgotten about shouting all the countries around the world, the geographical countries around the world that is checking out my video, my reelers. I haven't forgotten. Look out for that on Friday. I was having a little problem with it, but I think I got a hand on it now, so just look out for Friday, guys. I haven't forgotten. Let's move on to the topic at hand, which is working with what you got. Working with what you got. And I'm talking about those of us that are trying to make content and upload it on YouTube. And we don't have all those fancy equipment like what they say that we need. Don't get me wrong, guys. Eventually you do need this stuff, but I'm saying that you don't really need them to start. But the camera, the lighting, and the extra mic would be great if you can afford it. If you have it, it would be great. But if you don't, you can just work with what you got, and that is what I mean by this video. For those who don't have this stuff, you can still get your video done as long as you have yourself a cell phone that has a good camera, and that's it. It don't have to be like these Androids, 16 and all this other stuff. No, it could be any phone. It doesn't have to be those high-tech phones that has all those kind of cameras that you could stay right here and feel like you're touching somebody all the way there, or whatever it is. You don't need these high-tech phones, but if you do have it, toodles to you. They're even better. They're like the cameras. So there you have it. You can do all your stuff with it. But for those who really want to do videos, whatever type of videos, whether it's for content to upload on YouTube, whether it's short films, whether it's music video, yes guys, even music videos too, you could do with your phone. You just have to know how to use the phone and what angles and stuff you gotta put in them, and you just have to have yourself a good app that can edit the rest of what you cannot be able to. The app would do that. The app would have different sets of lighting that you will need, and the sizing and all this stuff. So guys, yes, I hope this video helps for those out there, because that is what I use. Up to this day, I use my phone to record all my vlogs that I did and all my contents that I do on YouTube. I use my LG Stylo 4 phone. This is what I have. This is what I use, and it's an old one. Don't get me wrong, it doesn't even have knobs in them anymore, but I try my best. So guys, just work with what you got. That's why the name of this video is called Working with What You Got. And I hope this video helps for those who want to start creating whatever it is. And yes, it would be better if you have the professional equipment, but if you can't, you could still manage to come out creating something that will leave you maybe a little bit speechless. And if you don't know your way around using a phone to come up with these things, you could also go on YouTube and search for them too, because they do have a bunch of content creators that teaches you ways to film music videos and short films and documentaries and all these things with your phone. So guys, let's not hold ourselves back. All you gotta do is just try and try and try until you get better and you learn and learn. So on that note, I say stay blessed, peace, and later.